Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am here from Progressive Model School. Today we will start exercise 2F for grade 4. In the last lecture we have completed our exercise 2E. Now starting from 2F, question number 4. Find the LCM by prime factorization. Find the LCM of these pairs of numbers using the prime factorization method. Here we have two numbers. जहाँ पे दो नंबर हों वो क्या होते हैं, हमारे पास पेयर होता है. और प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन जैसा कि आपने प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइजेस में पढ़ा है कि फैक्टराइजेशन कैसे करते हैं. सेम मेथड है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टेक वन नंबर दैट इज 18. उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनाएंगे. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. The other one is 24. 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now write the factors separately. Prime factors of 18 are 2, 3 and 3. Prime factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3. LCM of 18 and 24 is, now we have to write the common numbers once. मीन्स के जो कॉमन नंबर्स अगर दो दफ़ा हमारे पास 2 है तो वो हमने 2 को दो दफ़ा नहीं लिखना. मीन्स के अब ये जो लूप बनाई है हमने, दो इसमें 2 2 आ रहे हैं और 2 3 आ रहे हैं. हमने एक 2 कंसीडर करना है और एक ही 3 कंसीडर करना है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट द कॉमन फैक्टर्स दैट आर 2 and 3. स्टार्ट में जो हम 2 और 3 लिखे हैं वो कॉमन फैक्टर्स हैं. उसके बाद जो लिखा है हमने 3, ये 18 के फैक्टर्स में से, और बाकी जो रेस्ट ऑफ 2 these are from factors of 24. Now multiply them. Answer is 72. Now we will consider common factors once and will multiply together all their prime factors to get LCM. Part B is 20 and 25. Now taking LCM of 20 is 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. The second digit is 25, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Prime factors of 20 are 2, 2 and 5, and prime factors of 25 are 5 and 5. Now there is only one common factor which is 5. इसको हम one time लिखेंगे. बाकी 2, 2 and 5 and the last one 5 is the common factor. Now multiply them. Answer is 100. So the LCM is 100. Part C is 24 and 32. Taking LCM. First of all, taking LCM of 24. 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Factors of 32 are 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now write these factors separately. Prime factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3. Prime factors of 32 are 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now write circle the common factors that are 2, 2 and 2. 3 times 2 is common. Write 3 times 2 and then write the remaining 2 and 3 which are non-common. Multiply them. Answer is 96. Part D, 18 and 56. Taking LCM of 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now LCM of 56, 2 28s are 56, 2 14s are 28, 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. Factors of 18 are 2, 3 and 3. Factors of 56 are 2, 2, 2 and 7. Common factor is 2. Now write the LCM. LCM is 2, 3, 3, 2, 2 and 7. Multiply them. The LCM is 504. Question number 5. Find the LCM by prime factorization. Again, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास पेयर्स थे, यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 का सेट आ गया. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Factors of 48. 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Factors of 96 are 2 48s are 96, 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. अब मैं आपको ये बताती चलूं कि हमें ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमने 2 से ही स्टार्ट लेना है. बिकॉज हमने हर चीज को या 2 से स्टार्ट लिए या 3 से स्टार्ट लिया है. जब हम 2 से स्टार्ट लेते हैं, वी नो दैट देयर इज इवन नंबर एट इट्स यूनिट प्लेस. जब हमारे पास यूनिट प्लेस पे इवन नंबर आता है, तब हम 2 से, विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर, उससे स्टार्ट करते हैं. अगर हमारे पास यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 आ जाए, तब भी हम 2 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. जब हमारे पास 5 आ जाए, तब हम 5 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. और जब हमारे पास कोई और ऑड नंबर आ जाए, तो फिर हम उसको ऑड नंबर से स्टार्ट करते हैं. राइट. नाउ प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 16 are 2, 2, 2 and 2. Prime factors of 48 are 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Prime factors of 96 are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Now, which is the common factors that are 2, 2, 2 and 2? 4 times 2. Write the common factors first. 2, 2, 2, 2. Then the non-common factors that are 2 times 3 and 1 time 2. Multiply them. Answer is 288. Part B is 36, 60 and 72. Taking LCM of 36. 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. LCM of 60 is 2 30s are 60, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. LCM of 72 is 2 36 are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now write the common factors separately. Prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3 and 3. Prime factors of 60 are 2, 2, 3 and 5. Common factors of 72 are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. Now LCM is 2 times 2 and 1 time 3. So we write 2, 2, 3. Now the non-common factors that are 2, 3, 3 and 5. Multiply them. The answer is 1080. Then now 1080 is your LCM. Part C is 22, 132, 143. Taking LCM of 22, 2 11s are 22, 11 1s are 11. LCM of 132, 2 6 are 12. 1 comes with 2, 12 1 जाएगा, 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6 means 2 33s are 66, 3 11s are 33, 11 1s are 11. Factors of 143 are 11 1s are 11. 3 बाज क्या? 11 3s are 33 and 13 1s are 13. Now write the common factors. Prime factors separately. Prime factors of 22 are 2 and 11. Prime factors of 132 are 2, 2, 3 and 11. Prime factors of 143 are 11 and 13. Now the common factor is only 11. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 11 into 13. Multiply them. Answer is 3432. That is your LCM. Now words problem. So solve the problems writing complete statement. What is the least number of children who may be arranged in rows of 12, 15 and 90? Sorry, 9. अब हमने बताना है कितने चिल्ड्रन होंगे, लीस्ट मीन कितने कम से कम चिल्ड्रन होंगे जिनको हम रोज में बिठाएंगे, जो कि हमारे पास 12, 15 और 9 की रो में बैठ सकेंगे. अब हमने इनकी लीस्ट नंबर बताना है. नाउ अगेन सेम प्रोसीजर है, इसमें भी एलसीएम लेंगे. सबसे पहले हम 12 से एलसीएम लेंगे. 2 6 12, 2 3 6, 3 1 3. नेक्स्ट नंबर हमारे पास था 15. 3 5 15, 5 1 5. द थर्ड नंबर इज 9. 3 3 9 and 3 1 3. Prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. Prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5. Prime factors of 9 are 3 and 3. Now LCM, first of all, circle the common factor, that is 3. Now the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That makes 180. Multiply them. The answer is 180. Question number 2. 3 bells stool at an interval of 4, 5 and 6 seconds. After how much time will they toll together? Means हमारे पास 3 बेल के टॉल्स हैं और एक इंटरवल पे हमने देखना है कितने वो इकट्ठे होंगे. ठीक है, कितने इंटरवल के बाद वो सारे टॉल्स इकट्ठे होंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट टॉल कितने सेकंड्स के बाद आएगा? 4 सेकंड्स के बाद. सेकंड टॉल का हमारे बताया गया था 5 सेकंड एंड थर्ड टॉल का 6 सेकंड्स. अब 4, 5 एंड 6 का एलसीएम लेंगे. 4 का एलसीएम 2 2 4 and 2 1 2. 5 का एलसीएम जस्ट 5 1 5 and 6 का एलसीएम 2 3 6 and 3 1 3. Prime factors of 4 are 2 and 2. Prime factors of 5 are just 5. Prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. There is no common factor. Now write LCM, that is 2, 2, 5, 2 and 3. Multiply them. The answer is 120. Now question number 3. Saima goes to her friend every 15 days and Laiba goes to same friend every 18 days. After how many days Saima and Laiba will visit the friends together? Means साइमा अपनी फ्रेंड के घर जाती है हर 15 दिन बाद और लाइबा जाती है सेम दिनों में उसी सेम फ्रेंड के घर 18 डेज के बाद. साइमा 15 डेज के बाद एवरी 15 डेज में जाती है और जो लाइबा जाती है वो उसी फ्रेंड के घर जाती है 18 डेज बाद. अब हमने ये बताना है कि आफ्टर हाउ मेनी डेज साइमा एंड लाइबा विल विजिट द फ्रेंड टुगेदर. मीन्स कि कितने दिनों बाद ये दोनों इकट्ठी जाती हैं उस फ्रेंड के घर. नाउ टेकिंग एलसीएम ऑफ 15 and 18. 3 5 15, 5 1 5. LCM of 18 is 2 9 18, 3 3 9 and 3 1 3. Prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5 and prime factors of 18 are 2, 3 and 3. LCM is 3 3 2 and 5. 3 3 9 and 2 5 10. 10 9 90. Means Saima and Laiba will visit the friend together after 90 days. Okay, यानी कि 90 days के बाद वो इकट्ठी उसके घर जाती हैं. Question number 4. What is the least number which can be exactly divided by 36, 64 and 72? वो कौन सा सबसे छोटा नंबर है जो एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड हो जाता है 36 पे, 64 पे एंड 72 पे। टेकिंग एलसीएम, 36 के एलसीएम लेंगे। 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now 64, 2 32s are 64, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. LCM of 72 is 2 36 are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now write these prime factors separately. Factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3 and 3. Prime factors of 64 are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Prime factors of 72 are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. There are two common factors that are 2 times 2. Write these all factors and multiply them. The answer is 10,368. Now thank you and Allah Hafiz. The chapter is completed. If you have any confusion, then come to school after vacations. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.